Subtle backgrounds are the secret weapon of professional interfaces because they enhance visuals without stealing attention. How to design subtle UI background patterns. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document sized around 1920 by 1080 pixels, matching common screen proportions so your pattern reflects real interface usage. Choose a soft, neutral color for the background layer, then select the Shape tool to draw a simple geometric element, such as a small circle or square. Lower its opacity slightly so it blends gently, duplicate the layer, and move copies across the canvas using